show you the PowerPoint slides once again with what we have done till date, right? Guys, anything visible to you?
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
Hold on. Hope it is now.
Yes, sir, it's visible now.
With the full screen, right? Okay,
Yes,
we have
sir.
studied about what is Excel, how the spreadsheet works. We have seen the general format, number format, scientific format, right? And the Excel books, how it looks like, menu bar, formatting toolbar, right? Rows, columns, cells, okay? Types of the entries, what we do. Okay, you have personally done it, I think, only by your own hand. What are the basics of the spreadsheets? What are called cells? We have done this in the class itself, if you remember, how to just calculate the payroll and how to enter the information, right? Names and rows and the columns. What are called columns? For how the rows are? What is the address of a cell? How the more information looks like? How to expand the width of the column so that you can see the entire information whatsoever is visible. And we have done with the basic formatting also, right? So what are used in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and what are the special things in over here in Excel, which are in the circle over here, right? Some example of making or formatting the bold, or you can select the certain ranges. Also, we have done. We have worked with certain ranges. Okay, formatting of the cells we have gone with, and we have seen how the formulas look like and how to enter the formulas, putting this equal sign and all that. Okay, types of types of operations we have done. Okay, and we have studied about the errors of the formula. So errors are one of the most important thing which you have studied. The order of the operation is another thing which you have worked on with, right? How the things works on in the Excel and all that. We have done it meticulously like this, and finally we have verified the answers. What are functions? What is difference between formula and functions? Terminologies, ranges we have gone with, right? Using parameters. Other functions also we have gone function button. Okay, and there are a lot of other functions like you can say averages are there. Okay, we have worked with those two. Combining the functions also we have done. Okay, and the cell references also we have taken 2 is to 2, 2 is to 4, B is to B, right? In order to select the entire row or the entire range of the cells. Relative and absolute cell referencing we have gone with. I have told you, given you the live example for this, for which I think you have submitted some of your homework also, your assignment also you have submitted on this absolute and relative cell referencing. Mixed referencing we have studied what are various data types, and each and every numeric text, dates and logical data we have studied. Okay, text data, how to do it, how to format. No? Text functions also we have studied, right function, left function, mid function. Okay, so these are the things which we have gone with. Proper lower upper len, right? Trimming function, dates and times we have gone with. Addition and subtraction and data, dates and time also. Date arithmetics we have done. logical values and logical functions you have done with formula view, and the value view of both the things, how the formula works and what it will generate. And, or, and not are also another things which we have studied about. Okay, these all things we have done. And the nested functions, you can see the complex examples of the nested function. I gave you one assignment on this also. Hope all of you have done it. So this is again a logical function is blank. What happens if it is blank? You have done it by your own hand. Okay, formatting the cells, type of formatting, even the text formatting with the zeros. We studied that if you want to put zeros, then how it will look like. Data validation also we have done yesterday, day before, I suppose. And circular referencing functions with circular reference. I asked you about this, that what type of circular referencing itself is a error. So does it always work? So this is one. Okay, tables, graphs, and Excel we have gone. But what are tables? How tables look like, and what we do? Graphs, various types of graphs you have prepared, and you have shown me also yesterday various types of graphs after preparing it. Okay, so this we have gone with all the graphs. Now today we will be going with this goal-seek model. Okay, so goal-seek is an analytical function that allows a value in a formula to be adjusted to reach a desired result or answer. Means this is a goal which is given to the formula, and as soon as you seek it, so there is an attempt to seek that goal. Okay, so goal seek can eliminate unnecessary calculation that can be used to determine a single variable value. Now what happens, the goal seek actually makes our work very easier. Suppose for example there is a complex formula, so with that, the help of that complex formula I have to achieve certain things. So my question is, what should I do? What should be one of the variable of the formula in order to achieve the goal of that particular formula? So for example, I just suppose take the example. For example, a salesperson might participate in a bonus program that pays 3% of all sales dollars, right? Salesperson want to receive a bonus of at least $2,500. So how much target sales he should do? Okay, so this is a very simple problem which is given over here. So such type of problems you might have done in your 8th class and 7th class, that if this is this, things are this is this, then what thing you should do in order to achieve this. Okay, so division and multiplication type of questions, but here this is more complex than that, right? So let us just create a worksheet with these. Do it now. Create a worksheet with the following information. When the goal seek command starts to run, it repeatedly tries new values in the variable cell to find the solution of the problem. Just do it now. Okay, prepare this. Sales in dollars. Do it. Confirm me when you are done with this. Yes. Raise your hands when you are done with it. Done? Abhipray?
Yes, sir.
Doing or done?
Yes, sir, it's done.
Just you have to prepare this. Just type it out in your Excel sheet. You have to put the cell addresses accordingly. Now mind these cell addresses also, B1, B2 and B3. See this one, like this you have to do. B1 is your sales in dollar, bonus percentage is 3 and bonus amount is 0. At present it is 0. So you have to apply the goal seek over here in order to get it. Okay, and I will tell you how to just do the goal seek. Your worksheet should look like this. Okay, so these are the things which are to be done. And it continues until Excel has run the problem 100 times or found the answer within 0.001 of the target value specified. Okay, and iteration settings can be adjusted by choosing tools options and adjusting the iteration operation of the calculation tab. So, and it calculates so fast that the goal seek command can save the significant time or effort over this brute force method for trying each and every number again and again. I hope you have prepared it. Dhruv has done it. Next slide will tell you what next you have to do. Okay, Abhipray has done, Deepsha has done. Nandini also. Good. Now, this goal seek feature is used to fill the target value of the cell containing the sales dollar amount. Now, which is the target value? The sales order. The goal seek value read as set sale. Okay, so here what you have to do is you have to just go with the goal seek, select the tools, go in tools and then select this goal seek. Can you see that? And you have to specify the cell. Okay, specify a cell that contains the desired value in the set cell text box. You can even, if you are not able to find it over and above, you can just find, you can just use this finding in this Excel that where the goal seek actually is. Okay, and then enter the desired value or answer to two value text box. You have to type 2500 because that is our target and that is to be achieved. Okay, then enter the cell whose value will be changed in by the changing cell text box by typing, because here you need to have a complete fully relative cell referencing. Okay, that is $B $1, and then you have to go with OK. Do it like this. How many of you have done it? Very good. Manveer has done, Dhruv has done, Satyankar, good, Gurkirat. It's very easy because the formula over here is not that much complex. So the same way it is used for the other complex formulas too. Are you getting this answer? Now you can put any other amount in this bonus amount. You will get the sales dollar. So here it says that In order to earn a bonus amount of 2,500, the sales has to be 83,333. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. So this is what the goal seek does. So this is one of the very, very important function of the Excel. Next is your solver. You might have heard about linear programming techniques. Have you heard about these? Or have you used it before? Linear programming, you know, LPP? Any one of you? Have you heard about this before?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Abhishek. So these things are complex things, right? So solver actually helps us out in order to make these things possible. But unfortunately, solver is not in your syllabus. But still, I'm giving this. This is actually an add-on in the Excel itself. Okay, so it tells you about the thing. So next is a pivot table. We will be doing the pivot table in the forthcoming classes, right? Okay, guys. So this is all about regarding the goal seek model. Okay. So besides we have discussed about your exams also. Now this one more technique we have learned today, that is a goal seek, which is well in your syllabus. Yeah. Fine, then let me take the attendance. If you have any problem, meanwhile, even after the attendance, you can ask me. Okay. Mrs. Kulain.
So just
Or you can raise your hand also when if you have any problem. So let me take the attendance first. Yeah, Abhipreet Singh, Abhishek, Akhil, Aman, Anmol, Aryan, Divyanshi, Dhruv, Deepsha, Gurkirat, Hardik, Ishika, Karthik, Kaveri. Kaveri Verma, you have joined for the first day today. Kaveri, are you there? Manan Singhal, Manveer Singh, Mayank, Nandini, Urja, Parth.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, Kaveri. I will talk to you afterwards. Pranav, Pooja, Ritvik, Rohit, Rohil Rakesh, Saksham, Samyak, Sarthak, Satyankar, Siddharth, Siddhant, Tanishka, Tanuj, Lohit, your presence is has become less these days. Varad, Vikasdeep. Yeah, Kaveri, how many classes have you attended?
Sir, I've been regular, but like I think last week I missed some classes because I was traveling.
That's why I'm worried about you are not regular. So everyone, guys, please on your videos. Everyone. Still, all people have not on their videos. I don't know why. Okay. Fine then, guys. Any problem if you have, you can ask me now. And I wish your paper to be very, very good. And let's hope for the best, and let's have a further learning in the coming sessions. Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
fine then. See you. Take
Um,
care. Bye bye.
So a lot of students were confused about the syllabus. So could you please upload it or send it to us on the group?
Sorry, Abhishek.
Sir, I was saying a lot of students were confused about the syllabus for the exam. So could you please send it to us on the group or maybe upload it on Teams?
What I will do is I will tell you the slide number till when I want you to be prepared. Actually, most of your class has not attended the classes properly. That's why this problem is coming up, because those who have attended, they already know what they have to do, right? So that is what it is. So anyways, just hold on, Abhishek. Just hold on. Let me do it now itself. What I am doing is that I am just uploading the material on your class Teams itself. OE open elective. Yeah, please see your files. I have just now uploaded MX Excel PPT over there.
Yes, sir, it is visible. Thank you.
So this is now, hold on, like I will tell you up to what slide you have to see. The slide where goal 6 starts. Before that, everything will come. Okay, so it is having 2 slides on each page, right? And up till graphs, everything will be there. Let me just tell you the slide number. Okay, just hold on. Yeah, here it is. So just consider that up to slide 80. This is page number, rather page number or slide number, I don't know. Page number 85. Up to page number 85, the things will come. Would that be okay? Just see, Abhishek.
Yes, sir, got it. Before goal 6 till graphs.
Before goal 6, everything is there. So hope everyone is able to see it, I suppose, guys.
Yes, sir.
You have actually, when you will find it now, you have actually done it with your own hands, right? So there will be no confusion, but I will be asking you some certain questions on it. So please make sure that you are able to write properly. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And then take care. See you. Bye bye.
Yes,
All the
sir.
best.
Happy Holi, sir.
Thank you,
Happy
sir.
Holi to all of you.
Thank you,
And
sir. Bye bye. Happy Holi.
Thank you.
You
Yes, sir.
have